Now that's another chemical symbol that we should know about. It's capital R and the H. You see right here? RH. You will say to yourself, oh, what? Wait a minute, that's a chemical symbol? Capital R and H? How can it be a chemical symbol? Well, let's see what it stands for. The chemical symbol, capital RH, equals for the element of rhodium. Capital R, H, O, D, I-U-M, rhodium. Now you're going to say to yourself, what can we do to remember that capital RH is a chemical symbol for rhodium? And the only thing I can come up with how to use it is to use the word car horn. The horn of a car. Beep, 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 beep. Get out of the way. A car horn. So we got a C, A, and we got the R, and we got the H right there. See the RH? The R and the H. And then we got the O-R-N. Okay? Now, let's see if we can put it in the periodic table format. Let me see if we can do the format, do the way they do it in the periodic table. So we take car horn. So we got a capital C and a small a, and that stands for calcium. Capital C-A-L-C-I-U-M. So capital C and a small a equals calcium. Then we got we took the little r, the small r, and we capitalized it, and we kept the H, a small case H, a lower H. So we got capital R and a small H, and that's for rhodium. Capital R, H-O-D-I-U-M, and the chemical symbol is capital R-H. Then we got the O for oxygen. Capital O for oxygen. Then we got capital R and a small n for radon. Radon. Oxygen is capital O-X-Y-G-E-N. Radon is capital R-A-D-O-N. And the radon has a chemical symbol of capital R-N, which is we got the horn. See right here, horn? You remember this word here, when you hear a car horn, you right away will say to yourself, car horn, and you can either do it this way, capital C-A, capital R-H, capital O, capital R, and a small n, and then you can spell it and know all these chemical symbols, or you can just remember the capital R and H in car horn is for rhodium. Rhodium. You got it? That's the best way to do it. Okay, if you want to do it a step at a time, then capital RH is for rhodium. Okay, that's what we're trying to study. All right? Okay. Now, if you want to remember the atomic numbers underneath it, calcium is 20 atomic number, rhodium is 45, oxygen is 8, radon is 86. All right? If you want to remember, but if I were you, I'd just block it like this and just remember the chemical symbols. That's what you were trying to remember, the chemical symbols. Once you remember the chemical symbols and the name of the elements, the next step is to know the numbers. Okay? All right. There you go. Just to let you know. Have a good day. Over and out. Bye-bye.